welcome back to class. So we are doing time chapter. Last class I have told you how you will convert year, month and day. Okay, convert year into month and convert year into day. Now I will teach you how you will convert month, week and day. Okay, so you see here. Conversion of time. Conversion of time. Here you have to change month, week and day. Month, so what you have to do here, you have to change month, week and day. So as you know that 1 month equal to how many days? 1 month equal to 30 days. And 1 week equal to how many days? 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay. So you have to convert here month into days. Okay. So 1 month days. Okay student, and 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay, here you are saying that 1 month equal to 30 days and 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay students, now you have to convert here 7 month into days. What you have to do? You have to convert 7 month into days. Okay, so convert 7 months into convert 7 months into day. So as I have told you that, and you also knowing 1 month equal to 30 days. So how many months here given? 7 months. So what you will do here? 1 month equal to 30 days. 7 into 30 equal to 120 days. Okay. So what you have to do here, as you are seeing that 1 month equal to 30 days. So here number 1 question, you have to convert 7 month into days. What you have to do? You have to convert 7 month into days. So 1 month equal to 30 days. So 7 month means 7 into 30. So what answer you will get here? 120 days. What is the answer here, students? Answer is 120 days. Okay. So it is clear to you all how you will change the month into days. How you will change the month into days. Here it is given 7 month into days you have to change. Anything can be here written. 2 month, 3 month, 4 month. If it is 2 month, so what you will do? 2 into 30, you will get the answer. If it is written 3 month, convert into days. So what you will do? 3 into 30, you will get the answer. Okay student. Next, what you have to do? You have to convert week into days. What you have to do? You have to convert week into days. So number 2 question is convert. What is that? Convert 5 week into days. Okay, what you have to do? You have to convert 5 week into days. As you know that 1 week equal to how many days? 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. So 5 week. 1 week equal to 7. 1 week equal to 7 days. So 7 into, what you will write here? 7 into 5. Then you will get the answer. Okay? Or 5 into 7, you will get the answer. What will be the answer here? 35 days. Okay student, the answer is 35 days. It is clear to you all? So what you are seeing here in next question, that you have to change a week into days. So 1 week equal to 7 days. So what you will write here? You can write inside also. 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay. Then what you will write here? That 7 into 5 equal to how much? 7 into 5. 7 into 5 equal to 35. 35 days. Okay students, so it is clear to you all that you got the answer here. How you will convert here month, week and days. What you have learned here? Today you have learned that how you will convert month, week and days. So 1 month equal to how many days? 1 month equal to 30 days and 1 week equal to 7 days. This one you are knowing. So first question what you are seeing here? First question is you have to convert 7 months into days. So as you know 1 month equal to 30 days. So there is 7 months. So you will multiply 7 with 30, then you will get the answer. What is the answer? 120 days. What is the answer students? 120 days. Now next one you see that what is given there? It is given that you have to convert week into days. So as you know that 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. So 5 week equal to what you will do? 5 into 7. What you will do? 5 into 7. So what answer you got here? 35 days. What answer you got? 35 days. So students, it is clear to you all. You have learned two things in conversion. Last day you have learned that how you will change year, month and day. Today you have learned that how you will change month, week and day. So it is clear to you all? Okay students, next class I will continue with other topic. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.